Want to make big bucks without ever having to show your face in camera? Well, get ready to meet your new best friend, an AI bot that can help you earn thousands of dollars per month with YouTube and affiliate marketing. That's right, no more 9 to 5 grind or awkward camera angles. You just need your computer and internet connection because the bot will do all the work for you. You might be wondering how well I'm about to take you through a step-by-step tutorial that will break it all down for you. So be sure to stay tuned right until the end because I don't want you to miss out on any important money-making details. Okay, so today we're going to be using Beatovin.ai. And for those of you who don't know what is basically Beatovin.ai, is an AI-powered website that uses machine learning algorithms to create unique and original music tracks without any human intervention. So imagine being able to create your own music tracks without any prior musical knowledge or expertise. That's exactly what Beatovin.ai lets you do. The website has a large database of sounds, beats, and instruments that it uses to generate music in a wide variety of genres and moods, from rock and pop to hip-hop and classical. When you sign up for Beatovin.ai, you can select the genre, mood, and tempo of the music you want to create based on your preferences. The website's algorithms generate a completely new and original track that you can download and use in your projects without having to worry about any copyright issues. As someone who loves music but doesn't have the time or skill to create my own tracks from scratch, Beatovin.ai is a game changer. It saved me so much time and effort and has given me access to a wide range of genres and moods that I would have never ever been able to create on my own. Beatovin.ai is a fantastic tool for content creators, podcasters, video producers, and anyone who needs high-quality, royalty-free music for their projects. But the best part is that you can also make money with this AI. Don't worry if you don't know how, because we will be walking you through it step by step. So even if you're a complete beginner, you will still be able to make money using this super easy method. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up to www.beatovin.ai. Now that you know what Beatovin.ai is, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up. Don't worry, it's a super quick and easy process, which will only take a couple of minutes. So first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to www.beatovin.ai. Once you're on the website, you'll see a button that says sign up, and all you need to do is click on that button to start the sign up process. Then you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to enter some basic information to create your account. This will include things like your email address, a username, a password. Make sure that you choose a strong password that you'll be able to remember easily. Once you've finished entering all of your details, click on the sign up button at the bottom of the page. That's it. You've now signed up for Beatovin and can start using the website to create your own music tracks. It's really that simple. Now, let me tell you a little about how you can actually create music with this AI tool. To get started, you'll need to select the genre and mood of the music you want to create. As I said before, the music offers a whole load of options to choose from, like R&B for the genre and motivational for the mood. You can also set the tempo of the track you want to create, which is really helpful if you have a specific project in mind that requires a certain tempo. Once you've made your selection, it's time to let the website do the rest. The algorithms will get to work generating a completely new and original piece of music based on your preferences. It's really amazing to see how quickly the website can create something that's completely unique and tailored to your specific needs. When the website is finished generating your music track, you can download it and use it for your own projects. The best part is, the music is completely royalty-free, so you don't have to worry about any copyright issues. Step 2. Head over to www.v.io/tools/music-visualizer. Now that you've created your very own unique piece of music with Beatovin.ai, it's time to take it to the next level with Veed. Veed is a really cool website that offers a variety of video editing tools to help you make your videos look professional and polished. One of their most interesting tools is the music visualizer, which allows you to turn your audio creations into visually stunning videos, and this will really make your music stand out. You don't even need any prior experience in video editing to use V.io. To get started, head on over to the website here. Don't worry, it's completely free to use and there's no need to download anything. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Choose Video. Click on that button and select Blank Canvas to create a video from scratch. Now it's time to upload the music track that you created. Using Beatovin.ai, simply click on Add Media and select your music file from your computer. Once you've uploaded your music track, you'll be able to start customizing your video. The music visualizer tool gives you plenty of options to choose from. You can add different kinds of animations to your video to make it look cool and unique. You can also add text to your video if you want to give it a little extra flair. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I'm not a video editing pro. I don't know how to do all this stuff. But don't worry. Veed's music visualizer tool is designed to be super user-friendly. Even if you've never edited a video before, you'll be able to use this tool with this. Step 3. Sign up to the Premium Beat affiliate program. Awesome now that you have created a stunning video with Veed's music visual tool. It's time to turn your creation into some cold hard cash. And for that, we have an amazing website, premiumbeat.com. Here's what you need to do next. Simply sign up for their affiliate program and get your unique affiliate link. This will allow you to earn a commission every time someone purchases a subscription to their website through your link. It's as easy as that. Now you might be wondering, what is an affiliate program and how does it work well? An affiliate program is essentially a referral system. You promote a product or service through a unique affiliate link, and if someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission on the sale. And with premiumbeat.com, it's a win-win situation. They sell high-quality background music and sound effects to video editors and content creators who are always on the lookout for new and fresh tracks to use in their projects. So, not only you will be earning money, but you'll also be helping other creatives elevate their work with amazing audio content. Step 4. Upload the video onto YouTube. So once you have your affiliate link, it's time to upload your video to YouTube. This is an excellent platform for sharing your video with the world, and it's also a great place to start generating some income through affiliate marketing. When you upload your video to YouTube, be sure to include your affiliate link in the description. This way, anyone who watches your video and decides to purchase a subscription to premiumbeat.com through your link will earn you a commission. And here's the best part. This commission is recurring, so you can earn money over and over again from just one video. But who are the people most likely to watch your videos and purchase a subscription? Well, it's likely to be video editors who are always on the lookout for new and high-quality tracks to use in their projects. By promoting premiumbeat.com to them through your videos, you're not only helping them find what they need, but also earning a commission for yourself. As I said before, it's a win-win situation, whereas everyone benefits. That's it for today's video on using AI to create music and make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for earning money online. And as always, feel free to leave a comment down below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time!